Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It's going to be featuring the new Dazzle Liquid Shadows by MAC Cosmetics. Now, to start off with my eyes, I'm going to be prepping my eyelids today with the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime 24-hour eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelids because I get really super oily eyelids. To start off with my eyes, I'm going to be using Soft Brown Eyeshadow by MAC Cosmetics and applying that all over the crease. For my outer corner, I'm going to be using Brown Down by MAC Cosmetics on the outer corner as well as in the inner corner because I want to do more of like a halo eye and have the middle with a lot of lightness so that I can apply the Dazzle shadow in the center. I'm also going to be taking a little bit of Embark by MAC Cosmetics and deepening the eye look up just a tad and adding a little bit of a reddish tint, but nothing too red. And then right here, I'm just carving out my crease, but I am only doing that in the center of my eye, like I said, because this is a halo eye look today. And then I'm going to be taking Beam Time Dazzle Shadow Liquid by MAC Cosmetics. This is a new product. It hits stores this Thursday, August 9th. I only have one shade. This is the shade that I have here. I was kind of confused about these at first because initially I thought that these were all going to be like Dazzle glittery, but they're not. Some of them are metallic finishes like this one here, and then some of the other ones are more glitter. And I'm going to insert a clip of all the rest of the shades here. The second to last one I'm obsessed with because it's holographic. I can't wait to get my hands on the rest of them. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking the actual applicator that's attached to the product and applying the Dazzle shadow all over the middle of my eye. And then I went in with a 239 brush and blended that out. But I found that it actually took away a lot of the glitter and the sheen that it has. So then on the other eye, I applied the product with the doe applicator that it comes with, and then I blended it out with my finger, and that took away a lot of product as well. So what I ended up finding works best with these shadows, well, the metallic shadow, is to apply with the doe applicator. Make sure to blend it out, let it dry, make sure that the shadows, like I'm doing right here, are blended into the color, and then go in with a second layer right on top of that with the doe applicator, and don't even touch it. Let it set and you'll be good to go as long as everything's blended on the bottom. Now I'm going to start off with my skin. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Primerizer, which is a moisturizer and a primer in one. And I did this because I started thinking about MAC should come out with their own water cream. I think that would be amazing. I think MAC Cosmetics should come out with a water cream moisturizer. That would be like amazing. And then to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the MAC Base Visage Primer. This is a really great primer because it smooths the whole skin without it being like silicone feeling, and it still feels moisturizing in it. It still feels moisturizing in it. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation in the shade 3.3. And I've been so obsessed with this foundation because the coverage is amazing. It lasts the whole day, and it just is so easy to put on, and I love the component. Like, I love that it has a divot in the center. Now I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics Prolongwear Concealer, and I'm using the shade NW20. I'm going to be using that obviously I'm using that underneath my eyes and to highlight. Now I'm going to be taking the Hourglass Loose Setting Powder, the Veil Setting Powder, underneath my eyes and everywhere where I get oily, and I'm using the Laura Mercier Puff to do that. Now I'm going to be taking MAC Studio Fix powder in NW20 and applying that underneath my eyes. This helps to give me some coverage and to brighten my under eyes. And throughout the day, it just looks really smooth. Now I'm going to be taking the MAC Cosmetics Mineralize powder in the shade Give Me Sun. This is a really beautiful terracotta bronzing powder. I've been obsessed with like an orangey-ish bronzer because I've recently gotten more tanned and I am digging this bronzer. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Oh Darling highlighter. And oh my gosh, if y'all don't have this highlighter, y'all sleeping on this highlighter. This is so blingy and so good. I am obsessed. And I'm putting that everywhere. Above my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, as well as my chin, baby. And I think I put a little bit on my forehead. Just a little. For blush, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics blush. It's the Extreme Dimension blush in Telling Glow. This is so bomb. It's like an orangey-ish, peachy with gold flecks. So pretty. Now I'm going to add some lashes and then we're going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I'm obsessed with this setting spray. And then to lock in all my makeup, I'm going to be using the Heavy Duty Urban Decay setting spray to do that. Now I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Half Red to line my lips. I'm going to be using that to overline my lips today. Obviously, you know that we love to do that here on this channel. And then I'm going to be taking Myth lipstick. I haven't used this lipstick in so long. I was like shooketh to the coreth. I love this lipstick. And then I'm just going to mix that all in so that we don't have no chonga lip liner going on, even though I like that look. And then for lip gloss, I'm going to be using the Aaliyah lip glass by MAC Cosmetics in the shade Brooklyn Born to glossify and glitterify my lips. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and to click the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos. I need to play more with the Dazzle shadows, so I can't wait to get my hands on all of them. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Bye!